Hello, welcome to another video. This video is Halloween scrapbook page part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, that's okay. You're not going to be confused while watching this one because I will be making a new page. If you want to go watch part 1 after this video, I will put a link in the description down below. Let's get started. You're going to need a 12 by 12 black piece of paper, and on top of that, you're going to glue down an 11 by 11 orange piece of paper. You're going to do basically the same thing you did on part 1. What is that? No! Now, for the yarn part, just in case you haven't seen my part 1, we have this sashay yarn, and the reason why I picked it is it's got this like spider webby kind of look, and it is one ball 1942 Panda. And there's the information, so if you wanted to go buy this, you could find it at Michael's. That's where I got it. The next step is create your title. For my title, I just found an image on my Cricut saying Happy Halloween. Then to place my title on top of that paper, I'm using these adhesive squares. The next step I did, to fill in that space next to the title, I did pennant banners, one longer than the other. In the middle of the orange paper, tucked behind the paper that you will have for your picture, I'm putting a 6 by 2 Halloween paper, and above that I cut out a yellow 3 by 3 circle to be my moon. I thought this would be a cute way to tell people what my kid's costume was for Halloween. Right here I'm gonna put my little haunted house. Hey, look how cute that is! There we go. Now I'm going to do the same thing. This is from the same pack of stamps. I got these stamps all from this pack that I got in the $1 section at Target. So if you want to go buy those, it's only $3 in their $1 section. It was a good steal. And then they also had in that same section these black and orange stamps. So I'm going to use the black one for this. I'm going to put October 31st right there. Okay, and this banner part, you can do any color. I chose green because it goes with the theme of my son's costume, Peter Pan, but you can choose anything you want. And here's my final scrapbook page. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and like this video. And I hope this inspires you to create a fun Halloween scrapbook page to remember those great memories you made during Halloween. Happy Halloween! Bye!